Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to log in into the Klarna app quickly and safely. First, open the app Klarna on your phone, then tap sign in or log in. Click continue and then enter your phone number or enter the email address linked to your Klarna account, and once you're done entering your email, enter your password. If Klarna asks for verification, enter the code sent to you on your SMS or your Gmail. Then this steps helps you keep your account secure. If you cannot log in because you forgot your password, use the forgot your password option and then reset the password to create a new one. Now you're successfully logged in into your Klarna account. If this video helped you, make sure